Good morning, ladies. I finally received my Louis Vuitton Damier Azur agenda in size. I waited for so long for this to arrive. It took over a month to finally get to me since they have very few in the whole company. Last time I called, they had only 4 left. So I thought I'd share with you this very first video that I'm making. Since this is my, I bought this over the phone, so, and I wanted to share with you guys. So it came with this Louis Vuitton envelope, and it has the receipt in there, and some other papers. Big box. Has that, and this is a beautiful Louis Vuitton box. Let me try to get it. There she is, and it pulls on the side, and it comes with a dust bag. Very pretty. So let's take a look here if I could get this. Hopefully, wow, very pretty. It's a Damier Azur with the Louis Vuitton on the stud. Let's open that with this beautiful gold rings, and if you can see those studs, the newer version has the Louis Vuitton on there, and their little tag, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots all together, and then the large flap or pocket in the back, and the pen loop, which never works for me. So yep, this is hers. So my Damier collection is complete. I'll try to get a video of the other two. So yay. So I'm a happy camper today. Let me try to get the other two so you guys can see all 3.